everybody. Today I want to tell you about the engine of the vehicle too low and lost power on the road. The apparent P code 0299, that this is the problem of the turbos that lost power turbo system, you see, or turbo system. That means relative to ECM, the packing is not sealed, air and fuel is not matched balance. So you see this code like this, the problem of leakage. The common codes like this mean that the vehicle's turbocharger or the supercharger is not producing enough boost the pressure. This means it's the underboost condition. This is often caused by a boost leaching from damaged hose or a faulty component like the wastegate like this, blow of valves, boost pressure sensors, or cause can include a cloud air filter, diesel particular filter, or a problem with turbocharger issue. Boost leaks in the hoses connection on the turbo. On the most common cause, pressurized air can escape before reaching the engine. Turbo supercharger issue problem with the turbo itself, such as 14 gauge actuator that I mentioned. Gauge actuator stuck, variable wetness, or a falling turbo can prevent it from building enough pressure. Faulty component of faulty boost pressure sensor, mass sensor, multi-function, blow off and valve, and stuck exhaust gas, AGR, recirculation valve, and trigger can code. So you see, mass pressure, the low oil pressure in the case and insufficient oil pressure can be affect the performance turbocharger. Restriction, a clogged air filter, block catalytic converter, or block the diesel particulate filter. They can restrict air and cause underboost. When we have the P code P0299, eliminate check engine line, notable leak of power, especially during acceleration, sluggish performance, and difficult maintain highway speed, potential different sound from engine. You must check where is leak. Visual inspection. The code that I mentioned, C011 100 voltage supply control unit, electronic stability program faulting, C045BOO, the signal of the common component steering angle sensor. C107600, they can signal ASR shut off from the control unit. C1042, they can signal steering angle sensor. C04E, the OO component. So C05, the component. C090, 102 volt having occurs accumulation RPM. See the code that I mentioned. Especially today I mentioned about p0299. Is the boost pressure of turbocharger is low. You can see all the code related to mass flow sensor, related to boost pressure turbocharger, related to actual charger movement, related to cylinder glow plug, pressure sensor, intake air temperature sensor, charger movement place, the charger movement. That all code is that I mentioned is the problem of the glow plug, the problem of the boost pressure turbocharger, leak of the hoses. You can control our intake seal, especially check all the leak that I mentioned, crash and loose connection. A simple boost leak can be helped in chassis. In the spectral component, check all the wastegate blow of the valve, boost pressure sensor, the mounting function. You must check. Examine air filter, cloud air filter, easy in it's not expensive, free to check. We must check all the dimension. Air flow sensor, check intake, seal, check boost, temperature, check glow plug, spark plug that you have, you must call. So you see the code that I mentioned. Mass airflow sensors is the significant. You can air oxygen is not mixed the balance, so they can be rich, can be lynched. So you check intake air temperature sensor, pressure sensor, upper glow plug. Must check this code that I mentioned, P010236, P0299 FE, P200813, P067413, P0112 C00, P011300 that I mentioned. This is significant for lost power, that you can check all the system that I mentioned, especially to change to call the upload, especially call of the air from the pressure sensor or the sensor, intake air sensor, boost sensor, all cylinder that I mentioned. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.